Let's go, man. We don't have a lot of time today because they did the civilian population. I've heard so. They have bombed the place. Our troopers have been dying. It's okay. We can finish off the support here. Master! It's you! Master? Master! Execute Order 66. It will be done, my lord. Come on, we have to go fight for the Republic. Yes, we must. Come on. Sorry, sir. You're no longer part of the Republic. What do you mean? Fire. You did a great job. Emperor Palpatine will be proud.